be using the second method of multiplication of polynomial, method 2. In the method 2, we multiply P1 by P2 this way. The P1 is 2x squared plus 5x plus 6 and times P2, which is 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Now 1 times 6 is 6 plus 1 times 5x is 5x. 1 times 2x is 2x squared. Then 2 minus 2 times 6 is minus 12x. Minus 2 times plus 5x is minus 10x squared. And minus 2 times 2 is minus 4x cubed. 3 times 6 is 18x squared, and 3 times 5x is 15x cubed. 3x squared times 2x squared is 6x raised to power 4. Having multiplied each element by each element of P2, we will now add the 3 different results. So here we have 6 plus 5x minus 12x will give us minus 7x, and 2 minus 10 is minus 8, plus 18 is 10x squared, minus 4x cubed plus 15x cubed will give us 11x cubed. And then we'll bring down 6x cubed as our final answer. So this becomes the result of P1x times P2x. Another episode of Let's Solve Mathematics. In this episode, we'll be looking at a question in simultaneous linear equation. The question reads, solve the simultaneous equation 2 over 3x minus 1 over 2y equal to 2 and 3 over 4x minus 1 over 3y equal to 3 whole number 1 over 6. Solution. You pair the two equations one on top of the other. The first equation, we'll call it equation 1. The second equation, which is 3 over 4x minus 1 over 3y equal to 3 whole number 1 over 6 as equation 2. Now, we'll clear all the fractions and make sure it remains just straight linear equations. Now, to clear these fractions, you multiply through with the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So we'll multiply equation 1 with 6. So if we multiply equation 1 with 6, in this first equation we'll have 6 times 2 over 3 6 times 2 over 3x minus 1 minus 6 times 1 over 2 y and equal to 6 times 2. This will give us 3 here is 1, 3 here is 2, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 3, and 6 times 2 is 3. So this 2 times 2 will give us 4 minus 4x minus 3 times 1 is 3y equal to 6 times 2 is 12. So this becomes equation 3. So when we multiply through by the LCM of 2 and 3, we'll get 4x minus 3y equal to 12. So we'll give it its own name, being equation 3. So the second equation is 3 over 4 minusing 1 over 3. So, and this will change it to an improper fraction, that is 6 times 3, 18 plus 1, 19. So here the LCM for the denominator is 12. So if we multiply through by 12, we'll have 12 times 3 over 4x minus 12 times 1 over 3y and 12 times 19 over 6. So 4 here is 1, 4 in 12 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9x minus 3 here is 1, 3 here is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 here is 1, 6 here is 2. 2 times 19 is 38. This becomes equation 4. Equation 4. Now we'll multiply equation 3 with this 4 and then multiply equation 4 with 3. That is the coefficients of y. So it will now be 4 times 4x minus 3y equal to 12. And then we'll also multiply equation 4 with 3. So we'll have 3 times 9x minus 4y equal to 38. So 4 times 4 will have 16x minus 12y. 4 times 12 will give us 48. This becomes equation 5. And 3 times 7 gives us 27 minus 3 times 4 gives us 12y. 3 times 48 will give us 144. 3 times 8 is 28. 24. Write 4, carry 1, carry 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 gives us 11. So we have 114. And this becomes equation 6. Now that we have equal values for y, we will now eliminate it by subtracting equation 5 from equation 6. So if we are subtracting equation 5 from 6, we'll have 27 minus 16. We'll have 11x minus 12. Minus 12 will give us 0. So 144 minus 48 will give us 66. So we have 66 as a result here. So x here will now becomes 66 over 11. It means that 66 divided by 11 gives us 6. So our value of x is 6. So we'll solve for y in equation 3. So equation 3 says 4x, which is 4 times 6 minus 3y equal to 12. So 4 times 6 gives us 24 minus 3y equal to 12. So we'll collect like terms. So we bring 12 over this place, it becomes minus 12. We'll take minus 3y to the other side, becomes plus 3y. 24 divided minus 12 gives us 12. So we have 12 equal to 3y. So our y will now be equal to 12 divided by 3. That means our value for y is 4, because 12 divided by 3 is 4. So our result is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4.